Hello from Rancho Sierra Vista, Satwiwa. I love this place because there's a lot of hiking trails and you never know what kind of photography you're going to find here. There's a lot of birds. Usually during spring migration, you'll find a lot of blue grosbeaks here and lazuli buntings. So today we're going to take a hike through here, see what surprises us today. Let's go. Check out the trails out here. All the rain that we so much needed has kind of softened them up a little bit. So let's see what surprises we hit. Oh, there's a hummingbird right here. I'm parked a little farther than I usually park. I'm parked closer to the entrance back there. And the area I usually try and park is down over there because I'm trying to get to the cultural center. And I think this trail will kind of give me a bigger loop around versus a straight shot from down there. It's a little bit late in the day, so I'm really not expecting too much. It's just a matter of getting out and enjoying nature for what it is. Huh, there's some birds in the brush here. Let me pull up my binos. See if there's anything interesting. So this right here is the main trailhead parking. And I'm parked way over there if you can see those clusters of cars down there. There's a lot more elevation gain taking this route. I'll probably loop around. On the way back, I'll probably loop back around that road down there and go around that way. I'll take the easy way out, but we'll see. There is a cultural center somewhere here, and I think this trail will take me there. I'm usually taking the easier beaten path. Sounds like more birds in the brush here. That's where binoculars come in real handy. And here's the cultural center. There's a little pond coming up where typically there's a lot of bird life. I think this is where the pond was. Wonder if they drained the swamp. That would be weird, especially with all the rain we've just had. It's totally dry. Well, that might pose some challenges in what I was expecting to find here today. But let's keep trucking along. That is strange that they would have drained that. I thought it was actually going to be super flooded here on this trail. So far, nothing spectacular. And then the grasses here are usually super green and full of flowers, and the birds would be at eye level, so that's why I really like this place. But seems like they are all dried out. That's really strange. Really, really strange. Yellow-rumped warbler. There's an American kestrel sitting at the top of this tree here. And there it goes. Let's see if it catches something and comes back to the same perch. Well, it didn't return. On we go. I keep hearing California quail here. I just haven't laid eyes on not a single one. Oh, what's that? It's a red-tailed hawk. I knew I should have taken that upper trail. I think what I'll do is go back up that way. Oh, hear that? There they go. There's, oh, what's that? White-crowned sparrow. That might be a nice shot. So I heard a strange bird calling back here, and I pulled out the Merlin app. And looks like it might be a greater roadrunner. That one. Let's see if we can get eyes on it. That's really cool. If you don't have this Merlin app, think of downloading it. So I'm going to put this away and let's see if we can find this roadrunner. I'm going to need to pull my binoculars up for that. That would be cool if I can get this roadrunner on camera, because the app says it's actually rare here. Well, bad news is I did not lay eyes on that roadrunner. Good news is the views up here are getting better and better. So I think instead of looping around the top of this hill here, top of this knob, I will loop back around. It's going to be a lot more distance, but I still have a chance of spotting the Roadrunner. Seems like it's down in this thicket area down here. Pretty nice view. And a lot of yellow-rumped warblers. I think it's about time for a snackety snack. Once I hit the top of this next little knob here. I'm at a really nice vantage point here to spot any sort of movement below me. I don't think there will be any movement. Let's go. I'm gonna have to start this early next time. Kind of got lazy yesterday. I kind of got lazy this morning because John and I were at Lake Casitas yesterday and walked quite a bit, so I was tuckered out anyways. But this definitely needs to be done early in the morning. Luckily, it's really overcast and nice day, about 70 degrees or mid 60s. I'm gonna have to get a harness like those hunting folks. It goes right in my chest here for my binos. I have no idea where this trail goes, but I think I came down a trail somewhere down there. Still got my general bearings around me. Oh, there's a yellow-rumped warbler. Let's try and shoot that. Well, it is snack time. Still nothing. Nothing to shoot, but some great views. And Santi, you were right. At this rate, my channel is going to turn into a hiking channel versus photography. How about we mix them both in? Uh-oh. All right, let's keep going. And I think I found a hack to carry my binoculars. Check this out. When I need them, right there, boom. And let it go. That way it's not hanging around my neck. See? Not just a hat rack, my friend. Not just a hat rack. I think I'm parked. So I think that's the first parking lot. I'm way over there. I'm a little bit, maybe a mile and a half out. Mile and a half or two, depending which way I take. But let's hope I find something to photograph here pretty soon. Otherwise, it's just gonna be me rambling on and on here. It does make editing these videos easier though. A lot easier. It's a good mental health hike. So I've been standing here for a minute shooting these yellow-rumped warblers, and that's pretty much the only birds I've got today. But let me share those with you. There's a couple nice shots I really liked. And that's because the background is so far down there that it really lets them pop out, blurs everything in the background. Check this out. It really helps when they stay still, but they do not. It only takes a couple seconds and they're just bouncing from branch to branch. But once in a while I'll find them like on the top of these bushes here, and those are making for some really nice shots. All right, folks, from Rancho Sierra Vista, that's the end of the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.